Okay, last flight of the day. Let's see how it goes. No mishaps yet. I don't really love this camera angle, but I gotta fix my custom mount. My custom GoPro mount. I don't love the camera angle because I need to increase the camera angle. In fact, let me double check. My FPV camera angle is getting a little low. Had a few light slams in the last one. Made a commitment to myself that after every slam on the ground, we give the GoPro a good check so that we don't have any GoPro mishaps. So that would not be ideal. We need this GoPro. Finish the pack, then head home. Just when we didn't want any mishaps. But looks like fortunately whatever the GoPro slammed on didn't incur any mortal damage. Let me go finish this pack. Oh, here's my custom GoPro mount. Let me show it to you. little foam wedge goes on the bang god right there in the front. Maybe we need to make it more secure, possibly.